Hi everyone, my name is Abhay and today I have with me this JBL lavalier microphone and I'll be telling you what makes this a great buy, so let us begin. The JBL CSL20 microphone is an omnidirectional lavalier with a clip-on which is easy to clip at multiple angles. This particular product provides immense flexibility to content creators and presenters. It is a hands-free device that helps you create without any stress. With features such as outstanding speech clarity and a 360-degree omnidirectional audio pickup, the JBL mic is compatible with smartphones, laptops, PC and tablets. It has more than one feather to its cap. Its resourceful and dynamic features make this a long-term investment. The attached earphone enables you to monitor your sound, and it also makes it ideal for the new work-from-home culture because you can attend conference calls and seminars at the convenience of your home. Inside the box, you can find the lapel microphone with an earphone, an extra tie clip, an extra windshield, a carry pouch and a TRS adapter. This lapel microphone with an earphone has a range of usage from content creation, vlogging, voiceover, dubbing, recording, conference calls, etc. This is an investment that shall keep giving. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead, purchase it right away.